Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Mustang convertible, super looking car. This is the premium package Ecoboost in platinum white. The platinum white is that metallic paint, tricolor paint, so you can see the metallic in it. It's a great looking color in person. This one's got the convertible covers right there. That covers the open area of the convertible. It's got the Shaker 1000, so a nice subwoofer in the back to add to the sound system. From the back, it does have a spoiler and dual exhaust on the Ecoboost 4-cylinder engine, which is awesome. This one's got the polished aluminum wheels with painted rotors and painted calipers. It's in absolutely fabulous condition, just 16,000 kilometers. The premium package gives you the perforated leather seats that you see there, as well as a power seat on the passenger side, illuminated door sills, so that can be changed color in my color. The beautiful Mustang floor mats with the Mustang emblems. Look at the nice seats in the back, lots of room for people. Believe it or not, you can fit 2 adults in the back if you need to. 2 full-size luggage in the trunk as well. So it's a really great convertible from that regard. Have a look at the door frames, just absolutely beautiful there. And in the glove box are the books as well as the wheel locks right there, all set. Mustang since 1964. It's a beauty. So power windows, power locks, the illuminated doors. Let's go around here, have a look at the front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, nice polished aluminum, P0 tires on it, painted rotors, painted calipers. Under the hood is that 4-cylinder Ecoboost turbocharged engine. Pushes this car along really fast. It's hard to tell it's not an 8 except for the rumble. It's really a nice car to drive. So let's close the hood and have a look outside. Again, just 16,000 kilometers on it, so in absolutely beautiful condition. Love the grille with that aluminum billet in it. It's got fog lights down at the bottom. Here's your other rim, no curb rash, no issues, looking fabulous, P0 tires. And here's your back rim, same thing, looking just like brand new. On the inside, on the driver's side here, we have the driver memory package, which is 3-position memories. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors right there, as well as the multifunction power seat here with the lumbar adjustments. Everything's in great condition, as you can see, just 2017 with, I think it was 16,000. Let me just fire this one up. 16,773 kilometers. It's got the track apps, so I'm going to close the door so I can show you that. It's got the track apps there with your lap timer, accelerometer. The accelerometer is a G-force indicator, that's pretty cool. And then down here you've got a lap timer and brake performance, so you can test that and test how fast you can stop. Track 1, track 2 for your laps. Here you've got gauge mode, and we got all our different gauges right there. And then down here we've got our settings, and in settings we can change my color, where we can change the gauge color. It's currently at purple. Let's change that right now to I don't know, blue, just because it's Ford. And then we can go to the ambient color, and we can change the ambient color to blue. I like blue there. You know, it's blue in the door panels as well as in the cup holders, so that's pretty cool. We've got factory navigation there as well as a backup camera, which is really awesome. Help you to see and back up. There is the dual zone automatic air conditioning along with heated seats or cooled seats, one or the other. And there's your dual zone air, so you can set your temperature there to the fully automatic position. You've also got driver feel here for the steering feel. So steering feel between normal, sport, and comfort, so you can change that on the fly. You've also got mode, so driving mode, which is normal, sport plus, track, as well as snow and wet. So you've got those features. That's operated by that mode button right there. So the Shaker sound system, plug-in USB, power outlet, lots of nice features here. We've got a little glove box right here, which has another USB and a power outlet in as well. So great for electronics for Ford. Over here you've got the volume controls and telephone controls, your cruise control right there, which is a great place, ease of access. And then these buttons here I was showing you up there operate that one there. Okay, so all the buttons and features you would want: automatic windows, automatic headlamps as well. So let's pop this top up now, which is just this button right here, and you'll see the top goes up very quickly. Nothing to it. Nice glass window in the back with a defroster built in. We'll just close that and show you that. And then we'll put the power windows up with just the click of a couple of buttons and everything's good to go. So super looking car, great design, good features, love the engine. Have a look at it from the front there. Good looking machine. Super. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2017 Ford Mustang Premium Convertible Ecoboost, automatic, navigation, heated and cooled seats, a lot of features. What a great car, just $16K on it. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at that platinum metallic paint. It's really incredible. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.